In a quiet lab, researchers trace how mantis shrimp eyes decode light to inspire ultra-high dynamic range cameras for autonomous machines. They then translate octopus suction into soft robotic grippers that grip with gentleness yet hold tight on uneven surfaces. Next, moth wing nanopatterns unlock antireflective coatings that turn screens and panels into glare-free interfaces. Diatom-based lightweight, strong materials emerge as future building blocks, merging biology with sustainable architecture. This cross-disciplinary tale shows how biology meets engineering to forge safer, smarter tech for a greener tomorrow.